Non-governmental organizations (NGOs) are voluntary not-profit groups that function independently of government control. They work across various fields such as social welfare, environmental protection, education, healthcare, and human rights. By filling critical gaps where government initiative or private enterprises may fall short, NGOs plays an important role in promoting inclusive development and empowering marginalized communities. Their work extends from grassroots activism to global advocacy, making them key drivers of change in both local and international contexts. Non-governmental organizations (NGOs). Non-governmental organizations (NGOs) play a vital part in tackling social challenges, delivering essential services, and pushing for policy changes that improve the well-being of people and communities. They function independently of the government and are usually guided by a clear mission to drive social progress. NGOs work across multiple fields such as healthcare, education, human rights, environmental protection, and poverty reduction, and operate at local, national, as well as global levels. NGO meaning: an NGO or non-governmental organization is a not-profit body that functions without direct government authority. Its primary focus is on serving society by working in areas such as health, education, environment, human rights, and other community-driven causes. Non-governmental organization types: NGOs can be grouped in several ways depending on their reach, funding style, and the kind of work they carry out. Operational NGOs: these organizations are action-oriented and focus on delivering services directly to the people who need them. Their work may involve running health camps, setting up schools, or providing emergency support during natural disasters. Advocacy NGOs: instead of direct service delivery, these NGOs concentrate on shaping public opinion and influencing policy discussion. They campaign on issues like climate change, poverty reduction, or human rights to bring long-term structural change. Community-based organizations: these groups operate at the grassroots level, serving a particular locality or community by working closely with people. They aim to empower communities and improve everyday living conditions. International NGOs: with a wider scope, these organizations function across countries and address problems that go beyond national borders. Their work often includes tackling global challenges such as environmental protection, refugee support, and international development. Hybrid NGOs: some organizations adopt a mixed approach, engaging in both direct service delivery and advocacy. They not only provide essential resources but also push for policy reforms to create lasting impact. Non-governmental organization characteristics: not-profit nature. The core principle of NGOs is to serve society instead of making money. Any funds left after expenses are directed back into their projects and programs to expand their impact. Voluntary participation: these organizations thrive on the commitment of people who choose to contribute their time, skills, and energy. Staff members and volunteers are usually motivated by a genuine belief in the cause they support. Independence: NGOs function without being controlled by the government, which allows them the freedom to set their own priorities. However, they may still accept financial assistance from government or international institutions to sustain their work. Diverse structure: the size and scope of NGOs differ widely. Some focus on solving issues at the community level, while others operate globally with large-scale initiatives and resources. Non-governmental organization roles and functions: non-governmental organizations play an important role in driving social change and filling gaps in development. Their contributors can be understood through the following roles. Service delivery: a large number of NGOs provide essential services such as medical care, education, and welfare programs. This support is especially critical in areas where government facilities are limited or unavailable. Advocacy and policy influence: many organizations work to shape laws, government policies, and public opinion. They champion causes like gender equality, environmental conservation, and social justice, often pushing for systematic reforms. Community empowerment: at the local level, NGOs equip communities with the tools, knowledge, and training needed to improve their own quality of life. These focus on self-reliance helps create sustainable change. Humanitarian assistance: in terms of crisis, whether natural disasters, wars, or displacement, NGOs are often among the first to respond. They provide urgent and such as shelter, clean water, and food to vulnerable groups. Research and awareness: some NGOs concentrate on studying pressing social and environmental issues. Their research not only builds awareness but also offers evidence-based recommendations that guide policies and public discussions. Non-governmental organization impact: The influence of NGOs can be seen across many sectors with their initiative improving the lives of millions of people worldwide. Some of the most significant areas of impact are improvement in health. NGOs have played a major role in strengthening public health, especially in remote and underserved regions, through health camps, vaccination drives, and awareness campaigns on disease prevention. They have helped lower mortality rates and improve community well-being, enhancing education. Access to education has been one of the biggest contributions of NGOs. They focus on reaching marginalized groups such as girls, differently able children, and those in conflict-affected areas by building schools, distributing learning material, and running alternative education programs. Economic empowerment. Many NGOs support vulnerable communities by offering vocational training, financial literacy workshops, and microfinance opportunities. These efforts enable individuals to set up small businesses, gain access to credit, and improve their standard of living. Environmental conservation. Environmental NGOs actively work on preserving ecosystem and promoting sustainable practices, from protecting forest and wildlife to addressing climate change and promoting eco-friendly farming. Their initiatives safeguard natural resources for future generations. Human rights protection. Protecting rights and freedoms in another crucial area of NGO work. They fight against exploitation such as child labor, human trafficking, and gender-based discrimination, while also offering legal aid and advocating for accountability in cases of human rights violations. Non-governmental organization funding. NGOs sustain their work through a variety of funding channels, each contributing to their ability to operate effectively. Donation. A major share of NGO funding comes from contributions by individuals, corporate entities, and philanthropists. These donations may be tied to specific initiative or directed toward the organization's overall functioning. Grants. National government, international organizations such as the United Nations, and private foundations often provide grants to support projects in fields like education, health, and environmental protection. Membership fees. In the case of smaller or community-focused groups, members may pay a fee to participate in activities or access services. This creates a sense of ownership and accountability within the community. Fundraising events. Charity events, auctions, cultural programs, and marathons are common strategies NGOs use to raise awareness while also generating funds. Non-governmental organization challenges. Even though NGOs make a remarkable contribution to society, their journey is not without obstacles. Some of the major challenges include financial instability. Securing steady funding is one of the toughest hurdles for NGOs. Without reliable financial support, it becomes difficult to plan long-term projects or ensure sustainability. Regulatory and legal barriers. In many countries, NGOs must navigate strict law and regulation. These may include restrictions on foreign funding, complex registration processes, or compliance requirements that slow down their work. Dependency on external support. Heavy reliance on international donors can sometimes limit an NGO's independence. It may also weaken local participation as projects risk being shaped more by donor priorities that community needs. Political interference. Organizations that operate in politically sensitive areas often encounter resistance from governments or political groups when their activities challenge state policies or expose wrongdoing. They may face opposition or restriction. Effectiveness and accountability. Critics often raise concerns about the efficiency and transparency of NGOs. Ensuring proper use of funds, maintaining credibility, and demonstrating measurable impact remain constant challenges. Non-governmental organization and role of technology. Technology has transformed how NGOs function, making their work more efficient and far-reaching. Some of the key ways it support them include enhancing communication. Digital platforms allow NGOs to stay connected with donors, volunteers, and the communities they serve. Social media, in particular, has become a powerful tool for spreading awareness and mobilizing support. Improving service delivery. From mobile app to telemedicine, technology helps extend healthcare, education, and social services to areas that are otherwise hard to reach. This widens the impact of their initiatives. Data collection and monitoring. Digital tools make it easier for NGOs to gather data, measure outcomes, and monitor projects in real time. This not only improves accountability but also helps in refining strategies for better results. NGOs and governments collaboration. Although NGOs are independent bodies, they frequently work in partnership with governments to strengthen their impact. Some key areas of collaboration include public-private partnership. Many NGOs join hands with government agencies to run programs in healthcare, education, and social welfare. These partnerships allow resources and expertise to be pooled for data outreach, policy advocacy. NGOs often engage with governments to push for reforms and policies that reflect their mission, whether it's lacking poverty, advancing human rights, or improving public health. Their advocacy helps shape inclusive policy frameworks. Disaster relief. In times of natural calamities, NGOs and governments usually coordinate efforts to deliver emergency aid, rehabilitation, and long-term recovery support. This collaboration ensures that relief reaches affected populations quickly and effectively.